Let's look at how to perform an OTA system update. When a new update is available, a prompt for download will appear on the center display. Please install any OTA update as soon as it is released to try out any new or optimized features. The conditions must be met before downloading. You can drive your vehicle normally during downloading. If you download the OTA package when vehicle is in park, please turn on entertainment mode to make sure center display is always on. Enter the application interface. Tap System Settings. Select System. Download the update package. Download. Confirm download. You can also select Automatically Update. The system will start downloading automatically when available. After the download is completed, there will be a prompt on the center display. The following conditions must be met before update. You can start the update process after confirming all conditions are met. Tap the options Update Now or Schedule Update for the OTA update. The installation time varies depending on the size of the update package. By tapping Confirm, the system will start a 2-minute countdown. Please lock the vehicle with the key fob and leave the vehicle within the 2-minute countdown, avoiding unlocking the vehicle accidentally by the Approach to Unlock function. Do not leave any people or pets in the car. Make sure that all the doors and windows are closed, as well as the liftgate and the bonnet. After the 2-minute countdown, the screen will go blank for about 6 minutes. Please don't do anything to the vehicle during this process. Do not operate the vehicle in any way during installation. Please note, do not unlock the doors immediately, even after installation progress reaches 100%. Please wait 5 minutes. When the vehicle is first started up after an update, the system will provide information on the update results and further details. Schedule update can be set for a specific time point within 24 hours. The update will start automatically at the scheduled time. Press the key fob to lock the car, and then wait for the system to complete the update itself.